Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 6105M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Has just under 900 hours on it. The tractor does not require DEF. It does go through a regen mode, but it does not require the DEF. It does have the H260 quick attach front loader. Global carrier here for your bucket quick attach. Has the front weight carrier up front here. Work lights on the front of the cab. A little bit of paint peeling off of the loader here. Tires are good. Has front fenders. Has the buttons for the PTO and 3-point right back here. Rear work lights, rear defogger, and rear wiper. Dual rear remotes, 540 and 1000 PTO. Has a top link and drawbar right with it. Inside the cab, it's got the buddy seat here for a passenger. Has the air ride seat for the operator. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. The loader joystick does have the shift controls on it. It has the 24-speed power quad transmission. You have 6 ranges in the tractor, and then a 4-speed power shift within each range. Power shift can be shifted without clutching. Also have all your 3-point PTO, rear remote, light switches, everything over here to the right. Climate controls also over there to the right. Up top you have your radio, has rear view mirror, roller blind up front and in the back. We do take trades. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. Also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other tractors on our yard, please contact us at masttractor.com.